In this video, we will learn how to use shortcut key for tab data. So in Excel, here you can see have a different tab, file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review. So I'm using the shortcut key for this tab. So let's start. First, press the Alt. Then here you see, show here the sum number and letters. In File tab, show F letter. In Home tab, show H letter. In Insert tab, show the N letter. Page layout P. Formulas M. Data A. Review R. And View W. As same, other also have some shortcut keys. When you press Alt button of keyboard, you show here the some shortcut keys. Now I want to go on Home tab, so I press here H. When you press the H button of the keyboard, you see all shortcut key of Home tab. So I want to change my font color. I want to change or fill the color. Then H is a shortcut key. Font color. FC is a shortcut key. When I select, suppose I select here. Okay, it's gone. Again, start. We'll do the start. Okay, I just select this data. Then I press the Alt H. Okay, again I select. I think something is missing. Alt H. Here you see all shortcut key show. Then I want to make them font color. Okay, so I just enter the FC. The font color is opened here. Then I select here the color. That's it. Same as if again I show you one more example. I select here data. Then I press the Alt H for Home tab. When you press the Alt H, the Home tab, all groups show the shortcut key with the X, C, 1, 2, 3, FG, FC, HB. Okay, you want to border this data, you can press here the B. Okay, I just press here the B. So here you see the border shortcut key also available for every border. So I want to all border, I will press the A. If I want no border, I will press N. Suppose I press the N, there is C, the border is removed from data. So there is a one example. Suppose I select here this data. Okay, then I want to go here on Review tab. Okay, then I press the Alt. Then here you see in the Review tab you have to press the R. Okay, in R. Now you want to see the workbook statistics, the press the B. That's it. Here you see all workbook details is here mentioned. So that's it. So hope you understand how to use the shortcut key for tab. Okay, tab data, tab points, tab options. Okay, and all other groups also. So if you find this video real helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.